Hey, so today I decided to repot this Heliamphora. This is one of my favorite in my collection. It's actually a hybrid. This is Heliamphora ionasi red giant crossed with Heliamphora minor var pilosa. I really love it. It's really beautiful. It's very red. It was in bloom. I actually cut the flowers right there. It was really big. All of that was in this pot. It was a little bit, the pot is a little bit too small. So it's a good opportunity to make divisions. And when I did that, I decided maybe I should take a video to show. So let me show you. I was able to divide it very easily. I prepared my cutter, cleaned and all, but I didn't have to use it because they divided themselves very easily. So the first one is going to be here. It has nice roots. Second one, probably the main one, is here. Now this one I tried to remove with a tweezer as much sphagnum as I could. I don't really like how crowded those roots are, but I think it should be fine. You know, and then unfortunately one piece broke without roots, so I'm gonna try to root this. I had success with doing this in the past, so wish me luck. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in a little bit larger pot. Each of those divisions will be in a pot slightly larger. Those kind, that's actually for a pond. So I drill holes at the bottom, and I love those. I have my Nepenthes in those as well. So it's a standard mix of sphagnum moss with perlite, with quite a bit of perlite. I think there may be, yeah, it's about 50-50. So the way I do that, I put a lot of sphagnum and perlite like that on the roots. I kind of wrap it around, and then I'm gonna push it in the pot. I cannot do that with one hand, so. Heliamphora like a very loose soil, so I'm not pressing the sphagnum too much here. It doesn't like it when it's too compact. Okay, so there is room if I wanted to, but I want to leave it quite loose. That being said, the plant sometimes, well, this one is okay, but sometimes Heliamphora are not very stable if it's too loose. But this one has big roots, so it's fine, it's holding well. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna add live sphagnum that was on top, and then that's it. All right, that is number 2. And that is number 3. All right, I put back the live sphagnum. When I do that, I like to push it down in the media quite well, so there's a good contact with the base of the sphagnum and the media. Otherwise, it dries out. All right, we will see how this goes. Oh, last thing, very important before putting it back in the tent, I like to add water to make sure there is a good contact and there is no hole or anything inside the media. So I always water it thoroughly before putting it back in the tent. Like this. Et voila. And because this little guy doesn't have any roots, I'm going to bag it. I'm gonna leave it in a bag for about 1 month. I'll leave the bag open on top just to increase the humidity. I think because it doesn't have any roots, it will help. And here they are on my Heliamphora shelf. So this one is the one without any roots. Like I said, I put it in a bag. I'll leave it like this. It will increase the humidity around it. And then the 2 other ones are here and here. and they don't need a bag, I think, because the humidity here is around, you know, 80%, 70 to 80%. I think next time I need to repot this guy. It's too crowded, even this one. All right, bye.